Hello, store owners. Today, I'm going to show you how to sort the order of the products in your wholesale order form so your customers always see your catalog in the order that makes the most sense for your store. Here on my WordPress dashboard, I'll go to Wholesale and then Order Forms to see all the forms on my store. This is the form my wholesale customers use to place their orders, so I'll open it up and then I'll switch over to the Settings tab, where all the sorting options live. Now, I'll scroll down to the Product Sorting section. The Product Sorting. By setting is where the magic happens. So let's open the drop-down and take a look at all 7 options. I can keep the WooCommerce Default order, use Menu Order for fully customized ordering, sort alphabetically by name, sort by the date products were added by SKU or by wholesale price. I'm going to pick Popularity, which puts my best sellers right at the top. Because I chose Popularity, a new popularity period setting appears right below. I'll open it and choose the last 30 days, so the sorting reflects my recent sales instead of all-time history. Right above, I can also flip the sort direction, and I'll set mine to descending so my top sellers show first. Once I'm happy with everything, I'll hit Update to save the form. Now, let's see this from the customer's side. I'll log in as one of my wholesale customers and head over to the Wholesale Order Form page. And there it is! My products are now sorted by popularity, with my best sellers from the last 30 days sitting right at the top. That's how easy it is to control the order of the products in your wholesale order form. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.